You've got your digital product idea and your Canva design. Now, where do you sell and deliver it? Most platforms charge you $30 to $100 per month before you've ever made a sale. System.io is free forever, which means you can build your entire sales funnel, email list, and payment processing without spending a dime. Let me show you how to set it up so you can start selling your digital products without monthly fees. Welcome to Simple Digital Product Tools 101, my series where I teach beginners the only 3 tools you need to turn your knowledge into income. No tech overwhelm, no expensive software, just ChatGPT for ideas, Canva for design, and System.io for sales and delivery. I'm Keela, and this is episode 5. This video is the step where everything starts to connect. So far in this series, we've set up ChatGPT. We found your digital product niche with copy-paste prompts. We learned how Canva works. We designed an ebook cover. Now it's time to dive into where to sell and deliver your digital product. That's where System.io comes in. This is an all-in-one platform where you can build sales and opt-in pages, set up payment processing, deliver your digital product automatically, send email sequences, manage your contacts. And the best part? The free plan is actually free. No trial that expires, no credit card required. It's free forever. I'm walking you through the account setup, showing you what everything does and giving you your roadmap for what to do next. But before we jump in, here's why I recommend System.io. It's completely free for your funnel, product, and email list. It processes your payments. It replaces tools like ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, and Teachable in one dashboard. It's beginner-friendly. You don't need coding or design skills. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with the free plan, because it's honestly incredible. You get up to 2,000 contacts. That's 2,000 people on your email list before you pay anything. You get unlimited emails. You can send as many emails as you want to those contacts. You get 3 sales funnels. You can sell 3 digital products. You get unlimited file storage. You can upload your ebooks, templates, no limits. You get email sequences and automations. This is your welcome sequences, post-purchase emails, all automated. You get a blog. You even get membership sites if you're selling a course or subscription. So you see, you can build a solid, profitable digital product business on the free plan. Once you're making money and you need more funnels or advanced features, then upgrade. Now, System.io gives you the tools to build your funnel. But knowing what to build and how to position your offer, that's strategy. And that's what Digital Product Launch Formula teaches. Digital Product Launch Formula walks you through building funnels, what to say on your sales page, how to price your product, how to structure your email sequence, all the strategy behind the tools. The free training is linked below. Now let's get you set up. The link to System.io is in the description below. It's my affiliate link, so if you sign up through it, I may get a small commission at no cost to you. It helps to support this channel. To create an account, in the top right-hand corner here, you can click Start for free now, or you can click in the center here where it says Enter your email address. And then click here. Next, you select if you already have a business. Don't overthink this. You can change it later. Then it will ask you to indicate your revenue or expected revenue. You then enter your phone number and click Submit. System.io will send you a confirmation email. Check your inbox, click the link, and then you'll create a password and be taken to your dashboard. And we're in. Here's your main dashboard. This is your control center. This shows your stats, new contacts, sales, email open rates. Once you start selling, this is where you'll see your numbers. In the top navigation bar, we have the dashboard tab, which gives you access to the main dashboard, the affiliate dashboard, and the student dashboard. Then we have the CRM. This gives you access to contacts. This is where your leads and customers live. You can tag them, segment them, and email them. Next, we have sites. This is where you build your sales pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, basically your entire customer journey. This is where people land when they click your link. You can also create blogs. Under the Emails tab, this is where you write and send emails to your list. You can send one-off broadcasts or set up automated sequences that go out on a schedule. You can also send newsletters. And you have access to your statistics. SMS. This allows you to send text messages to your contacts using a Twilio account. Then we have automations. This is where you set up automated workflows. For example, when someone buys your ebook, it sends them an email and tags them as a customer. Then we have assets. This is where you upload your digital product, your ebook, your template, your course, whatever you're selling. You upload it here, searches from you, your sales history, orders, and transactions. These 4 sections, the CRM, the sites, and the emails, are your core toolkit. You can run your entire business from System.io. And under your profile icon is access to your settings. This is where your business info, payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, or Bankwire, your domain settings, and all the back-end stuff lives. Don't worry, we're not going to set up everything today. I just want you to know where things are. In the next videos, we'll build out your funnel step by step. But before you start building funnels, let's set up your information. This is required for email compliance and payment processing. This left sidebar is your navigation. You click on Profile, fill in your name, your address, and your contact information with your phone number. Under the Account tab, select your time zone, date format, and time format. My Plan. This gives details of your plan, the features, the limits, and comparisons in other plans. So you see here on the free plan, you get 2,000 contacts. It shows that I've used 4 of the 2,000. I get 3 sales funnels. I've used 3 of the 3. So this is how you have an idea of what you may have left. Payment gateways. This is where you connect how you get paid. If you're in a location where you can use Stripe or PayPal, connect those. This lets you accept credit cards automatically. And the next important one would be custom domains. This is where you'll add your own domain if you have one. Otherwise, System.io provides a free domain that you can customize by clicking on the 3 dots here. Then select Edit Subdomain Name and entering what you'd like to appear before .system.io. As you can see here, I entered my name. But you can use a business or a product name, depending on how you've decided to set up your funnels. Now that your System.io account is ready, you can start building your funnels, growing your email list, and launching your offer. In the next 3 videos, I'm going to show you how to build. In video 6, you'll learn how to build your lead magnet or freebie funnel, the opt-in page, thank you page, and the automated email delivery. In video 7, you'll learn how to build your welcome email sequence, so new subscribers get automated email that warm them up to your paid offer. In video 8, you'll learn how to build your sales funnel, the complete setup for selling your digital product, from sales page to checkout to automated email delivery. By the end of this series, you will have a working funnel, not just theory, not just here's what's possible. You'll have something live that can make you money. So don't stop here. You now have the tools: ChatGPT for ideas, Canva for design, and System.io for sales and delivery. That's it. That's all you need to create and sell digital products. But here's the truth: tools are only half the equation. The other half is strategy. And that's where digital product launch formula comes in. This step-by-step system shows you how to validate your product idea before you create it, how to price your product so it actually sells, how to write sales page copy that converts, how to structure your launch so you make sales, how to get ongoing sales of your digital product, how to combine ChatGPT, Canva, and System.io into a simple but powerful system. The free training is linked below and bridges the gap between having the tools and knowing how to use them strategically. If you're serious about turning your knowledge into income, watch the free training. And if you want help building your System.io funnel, I offer done-for-you setup services. I'm System.io certified, and I'll build your entire funnel so you can focus on creating your product. Finally, if you found this series helpful, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone you know it could help, and drop a comment and let me know what you're creating. I'll see you in the next video.